Did you know that artificial intelligence is projected to increase global GDP by 14% in the transportation and logistics sector by 2030? That's a staggering $15.7 trillion. Let that sink in for a moment. This isn't just a statistic, it's a sign of the transformative power of AI in reshaping how we move goods and people across the globe. And at the forefront of this revolution is PPC AI technologies. With PPC AI technologies, this isn't just a prediction, it's already happening. But don't just take our word for it, hear from those who've experienced the benefits of PPC AI technologies firsthand. Meet Amelia from a global shipping company who shares, "Our efficiency skyrocketed after integrating PPC's AI technologies." And then there's James, a city logistics manager who says, "PPC's AI solutions have revolutionized our urban transportation network." Or listen to Maria, an airline operations chief, "Our flights have never been so punctual, all thanks to PPC AI technologies." These are real people experiencing real results with PPC AI technologies. So, what makes PPC AI technologies a game changer? Well, their groundbreaking solutions are revolutionizing how we view transportation and distribution. Imagine air, land, and sea movements, all coordinated seamlessly by intelligent technology. Not just that, but virtual movements too, all managed by the same powerful AI system. PPC AI technologies is not just about innovation, it's about transforming industries. It's about creating a world where supply chains are efficient, reliable, and smart, where delays and inconsistencies are a thing of the past. And the exciting part, this is only the beginning. The brand new PPC AI Technologies Center for Excellence campus, coming to Metro Vancouver, British Columbia in the third quarter of 2024, will serve as a hub for continuous innovation and development in AI technology. The future of global transportation and supply chain management is here, and it's powered by PPC AI technologies. Ready to shape the future? Call us at 778-980-4635 for an introductory consultation. PPC AI Technologies is an international division of Propix Canada Media Limited. At PPC AI Technologies, we provide leading-edge solutions for all industries. We are not restricted to only healthcare or transportation sectors.